Git Ignore. Git Ignore helps you to not keep track of unwanted files. There are files which you don't want to push into repository, mostly build generated files. For this, we can create a file in repository named as .gitignore. Git uses this file to determine which files and directories to ignore. This file should be committed to the repository in the order to share the ignore rules with other team members who all are working on the same repo. Let's see sample git ignore file for Android projects. Here, if you see all are generated files, ID specific files, APKs files, dex files. Now we will see how can we create a git ignore file. In our previous repository, we have not used any git ignore file. And I have a file .dsstore which I don't want to commit. Let's create a git ignore file and add this file over there so that it should not be pushed to the repo. I'm creating a text file and adding .dsstore over there and saving it with the name of .gitignore without this text extension. Please note we need to save .gitignore file in the same repo. Now if I check the status, it will only tell me that .gitignore file is there and .dsstore is not there. If we check the folder structure of repo, then we can see the .dsstore file is still there. It was not showing as untracked file because we have added this file in gitignore file.